As political turbulence continues to rock Afghanistan, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has stirred up a controversy here, defending the 2019 Citizenship Amendment Law. Puri tweeted, "Recent developments in our volatile neighborhood and the way Sikhs and Hindus are going through a harrowing time are precisely why it was necessary to enact the Citizenship Amendment Act." But does the CAA that gives priority to non-Muslim minorities from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh in acquiring citizenship of India really help Afghan Sikhs and Hindus? Hi, I'm Ashok Bagria, and in this video I'll talk about whether the CAA law helps Afghan Sikhs and Hindus and what are the legal options available with them in India. So, let's take the question, will the Afghan Hindus and Sikhs benefit under the CAA law? The answer is a no. This is because the law says only those Sikhs, Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis or Christians who have come to India from Afghanistan, Pakistan or Bangladesh on or before 31st December 2014 will be considered for granting citizenship. And in this case, the Afghan Sikhs and Hindus are coming to India after the deadline of December 2014. So, what is the legal status of Afghan Sikhs and Hindus who are coming to India? Technically, these people continue to remain Afghan citizens and have been given shelter by Indian government on humanitarian grounds. Indian government has decided to grant these people emergency visas for 6 months, which will be extended from time to time, keeping in view the ground situation in Afghanistan. Almost 2 decades back, India had adopted a similar policy when Afghans, including Sikhs, Hindus and Muslims, had fled Afghanistan fearing persecution by Taliban. Since then, Afghan citizens have been staying in India on extension of visas. And now, what legal options do Afghan Sikhs and Hindus have while they are in India? They basically have 3 options. The first, they continue to stay in India on visa extensions that may be granted by the Indian government from time to time and return when situation stabilizes in Afghanistan. Second, apply to United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees for a refugee status and apply to any country including India to allow them to stay as refugees. Those who register with UNHCR have access to identity cards recognizing them as refugees, entitling them to basic services such as healthcare, education and assistance in the naturalization process. And finally, the third option is to apply for Indian citizenship by naturalization. According to Section 6 of the Citizenship Act, it allows a foreigner to become a citizen of India by a process of naturalization who has stayed in India for 12 years. But over the years, Afghans staying in India have been lost between 2 worlds. For decades, they have struggled with their identities in India. And what has really added to their troubles is the long-drawn process of acquiring citizenship in India. According to a 2016 UNHCR data, only 14 Hindu Sikh Afghans have been given citizenship under the naturalization process, and over 3,900 cases are under the process of the Government of India. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe News 9 Live Digital.